Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Roblox lagging badly on your iPhone, stuttering, freezing every few seconds, or moving in a slow motion? Here are the fixes that actually make a difference. First, go to your settings. Scroll down to find Roblox in the app list or directly search for it. Tap on it and turn off background app refresh. This stops other apps from fighting Roblox for your network connection in the background, which causes lag. After turning that off, go back to settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and check how full your storage is. If it's nearly full, Roblox cannot store temporary game data, which causes constant stuttering. Free up space by offloading unused apps. Now, inside the Roblox app itself, go ahead and open the app and tap on the three-line menu in the top left corner. Go to settings and look for graphic modes. Once you find it, make sure it is set to automatically or lower it to level 1 or 2. Lower graphics reduces the load on your iPhone processor and cuts lag dramatically. Finally, make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi signal. Move closer to your router if you're far away. So all you've got to do is turn off background app refresh, free up iPhone storage space, lower Roblox graphics in the settings, and get closer to your router. Roblox lag will be reduced, and that's it. Subscribe for more Roblox tips.